Hi, welcome to Zero Budget Gardening.
In this video, I will show you easy succulent arrangements. Succulents are very beautiful indoor and outdoor plants. They are more beautiful when you plant them directly in the cups. As there are no holes in the cups, you have to be very careful when watering. They can easily adapt to any living condition other than overwatering. You don't have to water succulents more than twice a month. Usually, most of the succulents are killed by overwatering. It doesn't have to be always teacup. You can use basically any ceramic or even other material. These are not succulents, but I am showing some examples of buckets and baskets I am using for plants. I love this cute picture on this yellow mug. I didn't know all the succulents and cactus plants can make flowers. This summer gave me a lot of surprises. When it comes to cactus and succulents, I have many favorites. These all are my favorites. And of course these two. These white bottles are tomato sauce bottles which I painted white. This is a milk carton on the right. Depending on your budget, you can even buy some cute planters like these. You can buy them cheap from second-hand stores. These all are different type of cactus with thorns. This one is a jade plant I propagated from a bigger one. I am propagating all the succulents I have, so I have many little pots full of different type of succulents. It's a kind of addiction to me. I must stop it, otherwise I will not have space for the succulents. I have also planted some succulents in the common garden. They grow a lot big, and so I have removed some of the plants from there. Also change color according to the sunlight. I have not only succulents but also many plants from cactus family. These two plants I propagated from the stem cutting of a parent plant. These are customized teacups for grandparents, nonna and nonno, which means grandma and granddad in Italian. This gift we made for my husband's aunt and uncle who have become grandparents recently. If you like to know how I propagate succulent plants, please comment. If you want to know anything particular about succulents or type of succulents, I am really interested to give you more details. I know in many countries succulents are super expensive, but if you have one plant, you can make unlimited number of succulent plants for free. So it's not an expensive hobby. These are some of the succulents which are going to die. I am helping them to survive. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also comment which video you want to see next. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.